So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. New day, new vlog. So in today's video I am doing the Instagram followers control my day challenge. So basically I will put stories on Instagram and let you guys decide what I do in my day.
1
3, 2, 1, go! Summer holiday, watching only on my way. Summer holiday, baby, wish you were my
So yesterday before sleeping I posted a poll saying whether I should wake up early or sleep in till late, and most of you guys said wake up early. So in the morning I woke up early, around 8 something I woke up, which is pretty early than usual. Usually I wake up after 10. So today I woke up around 8. That was good. And then the second poll was about outfits, whether I should wear kurti or a top or denim. So most of you guys said top and denim. So here I am wearing that. So now I will post a new poll which is about hairs, whether I should tie a ponytail or not. Next poll. So guys, the next poll is about hairstyle, whether I should tie a ponytail or open hair. So here is the story. I have uploaded it and I will wait for 10 minutes and see what is the response. And so guys, I am posting the fourth poll, which is no makeup or makeup. So let's see. I have uploaded it and I will wait for 10 minutes for both the results, and then I will let you know. Guys, it's been more than 20 minutes, so I will check it. So for the hair, open hair is winning by 58%, which is good. I wanted to keep my hair open only. And for the makeup one, makeup is winning by 66%, so I have to wear makeup. But honestly I was not feeling like, but now you guys have said, so I will have to wear makeup. So I will catch you when I do my makeup. My hair is already done. I just need to comb it once again, then my hair is done. I will see you when I do makeup. Bye.
Few inches later.
So hey guys, I did my hair again and now I will do my makeup. I will do very simple and basic makeup because I don't want to put heavy makeup or something. I will just put thoda sa makeup. I will show you the time lapse now. So this is the makeup. I did it very basic, nothing much. Applied a liner and all, and I will put the next poll after my classes are done. So I have my lecture now. I will attend the lecture and then I will post new poll. Okay? Stay tuned.
2,000 years later.
Okay, it's been a long while ago. I posted my last poll, which was about makeup. Now after that I finished with my class, I had my lunch and now it's almost 3. So my next poll is, should I chill and relax, because आज सुबह मैं जल्दी उठी थी तो मेरे को नींद जैसा हो रहा है, लेजी फील हो रहा है, और shoot an IGTV video now. The story is ready. I will just upload. Yeah, हो गया. So now I will wait for 10 minutes and then see what you guys select and I will let you know. Stay tuned.
Few moments later.
So guys, it's been more than 10-15 minutes and 59% of people voted for IGTV. So I will have to film an IGTV now, but I will not post that IGTV today. I will post it tomorrow along with this video. So stay tuned for my this video also. ये तो तुम लोग अभी देख ही रहे होगे. And for my IGTV also, stay tuned for both of them.
Hours later.
Okay, so last or the second last poll of the day, I didn't film the BTS of that IGTV because I was filming on this phone only, so I didn't film the BTS of that. And ignore the rain sounds because it's raining like crazy. Okay, this is probably my last or second last poll of the video. So the poll is ready. It's between read a book or decorate my room because I'm feeling like decorating my room. So yeah, the story is ready and I will just post it. Hope you guys select decorate the room because I want to decorate my room and बुक रीड करने का बस मेरे को मन नहीं है. सुबह से मैं जो भी चाहती हूँ उसका उल्टा ही तुम लोग कर रहे हो. So please decorate the room कर देना. And then I will show you the BTS also of decorating the room. So करो ना. See you in 10-15 minutes. I will remove my makeup and all. I will change my clothes into comfy clothes because शाम हो गई है अभी. थोड़ा सा chill mode में हो जाते हैं. Okay? Bye. Okay, so I'm back. I removed my makeup. I changed into my comfy clothes. Now I'm feeling very comfortable. Now I will check the result. I have also not seen yet what is the result. So let's see together. First time the result is with me. 82% of people want me to decorate my room. Yo ho! Thank you guys. मेरे को खुद को decorate करना था. So I will decorate, but before decorating मेरे को मेरा bedroom clean करना है. It's a mess. जब मैं decorate करूँगी तब मैं तुम लोग को दिखाऊँगी BTS. फिलहाल तो मेरे को clean करना है क्योंकि इधर तो दीवार है, इसके पीछे जो mess है वो मैं नहीं दिखा सकती, तो मेरे को वो clean करने का है. So I will clean that and I will catch you. तब तक और एक पोल डालती हूँ, कोल्ड कॉफ़ी और हॉट कॉफ़ी, और वो मेरा लास्ट पोल होगा. उसके बाद मैं कुछ नहीं करेगी तो वो डालती हूँ क्योंकि डेकोरेट करते करते कुछ तो चाहिए ना पीने को. मोस्टली आई थिंक आई वॉन्ट कोल्ड कॉफ़ी क्योंकि कुछ कष्ट करना नहीं पड़ेगा इसलिए. बट स्टिल अभी तुम लोग के ऊपर है. लेट्स सी. मैं अभी स्टोरी डालती हूँ, फिर रूम क्लीन करती हूँ, फिर वो स्टोरी का ये देखती हूँ क्या रिस्पॉन्स आया, फिर कॉफ़ी बनाऊँगी, फिर डेकोरेशन चालू करूँगी. ओके, सी यू देन. बाय बाय. So guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this is the decoration. So I will put some pictures of mine over here with my friends and of mine. And for the coffee one poll, the cold coffee won. So I drank the cold coffee, I did the decoration. I'm so happy with this. Now I will take some pictures over here. And do like, share, subscribe to my channel. And suggest me video ideas. If you want 2 videos a week, I would love to make 2 videos a week. And now I will take some pictures over here. Bye bye. See you in my next video.